Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle of big green chili. First, select about 500 grams of large, fresh green chilies. Wash them thoroughly and ensure they are completely dry to prevent spoilage. Next, carefully slit each chili lengthwise, but make sure to keep the stem attached. This helps them stay together during the pickling process. Now let's prepare our aromatic spice blend. Gently roast 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds in a dry pan until they become fragrant, being careful not to burn them. Once cooled, grind these roasted seeds along with 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds into a coarse powder. Separately, heat 1/4 cup of mustard oil in a pan until it reaches its smoking point, then let it cool slightly. It's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your slit green chilies with the freshly ground spice mixture and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix thoroughly to ensure every chili is coated. Next, pour in the slightly cooled mustard oil and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Stir well, then carefully transfer the entire mixture into a clean, sterilized, airtight glass jar. For the best flavor, let your pickle cure for 3 to 5 days. Place the jar in direct sunlight each day, if possible, and remember to shake it gently once daily to ensure the spices and oil are evenly distributed. This helps the chilies absorb all those wonderful flavors. Your delicious homemade green chili pickle will be ready to enjoy soon. Also, don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.